We come from the stars, from the endless skies, different faces, but the same light in our eyes. From the earth, the moon, and the farthest place, we're all one, wrapped in love's embrace. We